Top of the morning to you, sir. Stephen out of Victory Nissan. I would like to show you our 2015 Silverado 15. Tow hitch is already installed. Got the dual exhaust pipes down there. These are 37-inch tires with 22 by 12-inch rims. This truck is a behemoth. Got the big old V8 on the inside too. Got power seats. Settings right there. You got the navigation option here for you as well. Plug outlets right here. Currently has 91,000 miles on it.
Was pretty good. Yeah, I don't know a lot about it. No Pioneer.
That don't matter on a big old truck like this. It's been well taken care of.
I'll be honest with you.
Dual control climate, so you're not fighting with your passenger over who's hot, who's cold. Heated seats are an option on here too.
I don't know much about
This truck has been well taken care of. Clean Carfax included. Ready for a test drive today? Make sure you get down here and ask for Stephen. Look forward to working with you, my friend.